If you're using ChatGPT, then you are in for a treat. OpenAI recently launched new features and updates, and they are going to be a game changer. These updates are going to make ChatGPT 100 times better. We are going to discuss top 4 features, which I think are most valuable. And there is a mix of free and paid feature, so there is something. So whether you are a casual user or a power user of OpenAI, ChatGPT, these updates are going to change the way you interact with it. So don't go anywhere and stay till the end. Let's dive in. So first update which we are going to discuss is OpenAI O3 Mini. This is the most cost-efficient reasoning model, and this is available for free in ChatGPT, and you can also use it via API. So this powerful and fast model advances the boundaries of what a small model can achieve with a specific focus on STEM-related capabilities. So you can use it for science, technology, and especially coding. So this is something which is going to be very useful for coders, and if you want to improve performance there, you should definitely check it out. Some of the other benefits is that it is able to keep its cost low, and it's also able to reduce latency. Now, how do you use Open AI O3 Mini model in ChatGPT? Let's check it out. So in order to use OpenAI O3 Mini, what you have to do is use this button called Reason. So when you click on it, whatever question you ask, the response will be more in depth. So this model will go through multiple parameters and try to give you a response which is more comprehensive. Get out how it does it. So I'm asking is what is the meaning of life? Provided some answers and all, and let's try to use it without reason and see what it does. So if you see, when I ask question without reason, the answer is somewhat concise and not having in-depth response. But when we ask using the reason, the answers are a little different. And this thing is very useful when you are doing coding. So, whatever code logic you have created, the performance would be much better when we use this reason button or O3 mini model. When you're using O3 mini for coding, OpenAI provides 3 different levels, as you can see, low, medium, and high. So it depends, how much accuracy you want, and what the speed you're looking for. So if there's something straightforward, then you can use low, and this will provide a very quicker response. But if there's something complex and you want it to provide more in-depth answer, then you can use the high option. But again, it may have a slower response as it has to go through multiple data sets. So a lot of tools like Cursor AI has already implemented this model in their software, and same way others are also implementing it. A lot of people have also suggested that this model is much better than DeepSeek R1 model, which was released recently. So if not done already, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. We are a small growing channel trying to reach our first 1,000 subscriber, and this will help us in reaching more folks like you and sharing knowledge related to AI. Next feature which we are going to discuss is ChatGPT Operator. It's just launched by OpenAI, and it is going to blow your mind. So what is ChatGPT Operator? It's basically an AI agent launched by OpenAI, and it resides in your browser. So you just type operator.chatgpt.com. It'll open up, and then you can ask it to do any task. So it'll take control over your browser, do whatever you want it to do, and show you the result. So it is already connected with certain apps. So for example, like Instacart or Thumbtack or a lot of those things. So you can select that app and ask it to do those tasks, or you can just ask it to complete a task. For example, book a tennis court near me, or any other item, and it'll do it for you. So it'll go to web, it'll search nearest tennis court, come up with options, select the best option, and tell you that yes, it is there. Now you have option to take control over the task. So in between, if you don't want it to say enter your credit card details or something, you can take control over the browser session, and then you can type anything, and that will be kind of a private session. ChatGPT operator will not know about it, and then you can again give it the control back to ChatGPT operator. Now, this is really cool, and it's kind of, starting journey of OpenAI into AI agent. And I think this is going to change how we operate. So it can do multiple tasks. So, if you want, you can open multiple browsers and assign different tasks on each of the browser and come back and see, okay, these tasks are done. So it is pretty much like, a AI assistant you have, which is super smart and can do hundreds of things at a time. Have a look like, how it works. So just go to operator.chatgpt.com, and currently this is available only for pro user, and pro user plan is almost $200 per month. So I think initially it will be useful for folks who have huge amount of tasks or who think they can get ROI out of it. But as it shows here, like, you can just go ask, like, book a campsite for me. It will search for campsite options and provide you different things. So it's saying find a family friendly campsite in Joshua Tree for this weekend. It'll go. Hip Camp is one of the site where you can book the different camping location, and then it is going to ask you questions, dates and all, and it is going to book for you. It is going to revolutionize the world. You can do social media marketing, you can run your business, you can test different apps and whatnot using these AI agent. You can go find life insurance, say like, find life insurance from coverclan.com, which is one of the site which will search with multiple insurance carrier in one go. The next in line is ChatGPT Canvas. So what is ChatGPT Canvas? So it's an incredibly powerful tool which helps you in collaborating with ChatGPT in a more visual and a structured. Think of it as an AI powered workplace where you can edit, write, and collaborate and make changes to long form content and even code projects seamlessly. So generally in ChatGPT, you'll see when you ask a question, you get a response. But just ChatGPT Canvas, what it does, it provides a response in a Canvas kind of a format where you can make changes, edits, and create a new content in collaboration. So let's check it out how it works. Now let's ask ChatGPT to create a YouTube video script. Okay, create YouTube video script for ChatGPT Canvas. Okay. So now, if you see that it has already, created this in a canvas mode. So on right side, whatever thing you see, this is a canvas. And once it is done creating the content, we can go ahead and make changes there. So let's give it a minute. Okay, so what we can do is first on right side, you can see a lot of options. So, you can add emojis, change the reading level. So currently it's whether you want to make it easier for people to understand, make it at a lower level reading or something complex for, people who are at college level, and you can adjust the length also. So what we can do is here, maybe, edit it. I don't want to call it title, and or here we can say welcome to the channel. So you can make changes, and here we can ask it that, hey, like, can you update this title? Okay, now you see it has updated the title. So same way, like, you can keep editing it, this script, and make it as you want. So, you don't have to go to any document or something. And once it is done, you can either copy paste in a document or do whatever. Similar thing you can do with a coding. You can write a code, first ask ChatGPT to create a code, and then make changes on top of it, add more modules, and so on and so forth. So sky's the limit what you can do here. So next feature which we are going to discuss is ChatGPT Tasks. So this you can think of as Alexa or Siri by OpenAI. So what you can do is create certain tasks which ChatGPT will do at certain intervals and provide notifications or whatever, and it can do it even when things are offline. So currently this feature is not free. It's available only to paid users. But I hope soon it will be available to everyone. So how it works is, you provide a prompt to ChatGPT that, hey, remind me about taking medicine every day at 8:30 p.m. And then ChatGPT will kind of prompt you every day at 8:30 to take medicine. So similarly, you can set up different kind of tasks, reminders, and ChatGPT will make sure it reminds you at that point of time. So this is something which you can use to improve your efficiency and productivity. A lot of tasks which you have it during the day, you can kind of automate it or set reminder, and ChatGPT will do it for you. So I hope you found this video helpful and you learned something out of it. If there's any other feature or any other topic you want us to discuss, then please do leave comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. We are a small growing channel trying to reach our first 1,000 subscribers. And this will help us in reaching more folks like you. Thank you and have a nice rest of the day.